Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Have a Balisong today from Thomas Balisongs. This is the refault. I just got this in the mail today. So yeah, let's get this open, shall we? I need two hands for this, hold on. I'm using a pair of tweezers because I don't have a knife with me. So yep. You have to bear with me here. Oh, I just completely, oh well. Should work. Alright, got it. Alright, check the box out, slides just right open. Have a pretty fancy unboxing experience here. We have the cloth here, which feels extremely high quality. Oh my god, that's very soft on the inside. Wow, that's, yeah, wow, Thomas really does this. All right, we got a little greeting card here by Thomas himself. The refault, this is a G10 trainer 7075 aluminum. Yeah, let's get on the box. You have a microfiber cloth, some extra hardware. Ooh, I've actually, that's interesting. I believe these are weights. These are weights, I believe. So yeah, let's open up, see what's underneath here. Oh, all right, it just blew away. Hold on, let me grab that real quick. Oh, fan is too strong, bro. Okay, we're good. Here we have the Balisong itself. Ooh, wow, that actually feels so good. That actually feels kind of good. So they have two variants of this Balisong, one in G10 and one in carbon fiber. I believe the carbon fiber one costs like $20 more. But yeah, here it is by Thomas himself. Swing check, not bad, not bad. Okay, to get a Balisong to compare this to, let's grab my Hydra real quick. It's right here. This is my Nabal's Hydra. Very standard Balisong. Also, don't mind the cable that's running from the GoPro. I haven't charged this thing in a while, so yep. Okay. 775 aluminum G10. I have not felt a G10 trainer in a while. It feels kind of chalky. Maybe it's just me. All right, let's get a flipping experience of the Hydra real quick. Actually, hold on. Before we actually do it, let's get a sound test on both of them. All right. Pretty basic on the Hydra, and then wow, that is oh, okay. Flipping experience with this though. Wow, that is interesting. That is interesting. I'm sorry, I'm trying to keep it in frame. Remember, I'm doing this with one hand, so you're gonna have to bear with me here. Ooh, that feels kind of interesting. It feels kind of chalky on my hands. Hold on, let me compare this. Huh. Interesting. $70, dude? Shoot, bro. This might actually be worth it. For just the standard G10? Yo. That's actually kind of worth it. What the hell? Ugh. Let's try the... Wow. That is interesting. It's good. It's actually really good. Wow. Actually, hold on. This feels a bit heavier than my Hydra, I will say. But yeah. And the sound alone is absolutely amazing. Wow. Yo, if Thomas is ever gonna watch this video, bro, holy shit. Applauds to you, bro. God damn. That is an insane Balisong for $70 and for it to sound like this. Wow. Yeah. It's pretty blade biased. I can feel it. But I'm not complaining though. Let's try. Yeah, it has a little bite handle indicator, as you can see right there. It's pretty noticeable when you're doing chaplains. But yeah, besides that, dude, yo, $70. This is amazing. Boxing experience is fucking premium, dude. Like, golly. Oh my goodness. Let's compare it to the Hydro real quick. Okay. It's not bad. I can definitely tell a difference, obviously. So, yeah. Thomas refault, ladies and gentlemen. Some people might even call this the default V2, because Thomas used to make a default. But I believe he took some people's responses about the default and made the refault. And this is what came of it. It's really good. So yeah, the default V2, ladies and gentlemen. G10 scales. Wow. Yeah, that's incredible. Wow. Thomas, man. Applaud to you. Yeah, if you want to pick one up, just search up Thomas Balisongs on Amazon. You'll find it. Yeah, you'll find it on Amazon. Just search up Thomas Balisong refaults. I did not get paid to say anything. These are all my personal opinions. Obviously, I bought this. I did not get these sent to me for free. So yeah. But that's all my personal opinions for now. I will flip with this a bit more. But yeah, so far first impressions are really good. Like it. So yeah. I'll see y'all later.